NCR 49 represents the first international convention for the Fraternal Orders of Eagles, Philippine Eagles. On our way to the airport, then boarding on the airplane na po kami dito. This time we just landed in Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh. And ito yung aming rides on the way to the hotel. We also tried the local coconut milk for just 20,000 dong or just 40 pesos in Philippine currency. Pero masarap talaga siya. At this time naman, we visited the Red District where we had so much fun. Ayan, masaya talaga kami dyan. We drink until morning yata at this time and natuloy pa to sa may hotel namin. There you go. Cheers everybody. Some fun nights for NCR 49. And this time naman, we had our bus tour for the city wherein we were so much amazed with what we saw from Ho Chi Minh. Napaka ganda po talaga sa kanila. May subway na rin po dyan sa may Ho Chi Minh. Ayan, nasa bus kami yan at the time. After we had some dinner with a local fine dining restaurant in Ho Chi Minh. Napakasarap ng pagkain dito. We really enjoy the dinner here. Yan, kain tayo. Mamaya, ubos lahat yan sa amin, syempre. And this time around naman, we got the tour, the Delta River. Mekong Delta River, to be exact. So, ito yung aming ride going to the tour. Ito yung nakilala namin. She's from Belarus, but she's a stewardess from Russia Airlines. Yan, napakaganda. Halos lahat na nakakikita sa kanya nagpapapicture. Saka game na game siyang sumabay sa mga activities namin during the tour. At this time, nagluluto kami ng lunch namin. So, we got to prepare our lunch. Andyan si Kuya Ray at si Kuya Tolabs showcasing their expertise in cooking, which we afterwards ate. Ayan. Along with other delicacies that were served to us by our Vietnamese tour guide. And we visited the coconut farm and ito, napupunta na kami sa Mekong Delta River. Napakalaki ng river na to. Then on the island, we had various activities such as like natin. Or ano pa kami, bumaba pa lang kami at this time around. A ferry ride from Ho Chi Minh to an island where we will cross the Mekong River Delta. So ito, we get to visit the market kung saan nakita namin paano ginagawa yung mga coconut candies yan. Such as that, may mga pre-mix pa yan, napakasarap. Yan. Ride sa candies, siyempre libre. Dito rin yung time na nagkainom kami ng Cobra wine. At this time naman, ito yung traditional sa kanila ng mga singers. So we were serenaded but with some fruits served. Ayan, mga local foods sa kanila. Langka, dragon fruit, pakwan, pineapple, so on and so forth. Ito na yung highlight of the day namin where we crossed the Mekong Delta River. Ito, such a fun ride. Napakaganda po dyan. A must visit if you're going to Vietnam. Yan, si Nagob at si Vice Gob unloading doon sa kanilang boat ride. There you go. We also visited the ayan ang kanilang ayun yung the Fat Buddha as the tour guide told us. And we also got to pray sa loob ng temple. So, ito, just having some fun with the animals in there. Ito, we visited the cafe apartment wherein makikita mo sa isang building, puro coffee shop, iba-iba po. Napakasarap po dyan, tumambay at napakasarap din ng coffee din. And that's it for our tour for Vietnam. This is our way to the airport and we arrive at 7:40 in the evening back in Manila. Maraming salamat po.